Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Mustain Asad, and as you know that in IELTS speaking part 1 you are asked a number of different questions, and today with me I have got my father and I will ask him those basic questions. Actually these are the most repeated topics, and the answers that he will give, they are good enough answers to get you a very reasonable band. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, sir.
Alright. Do you live in a house or a flat?
Well, at the moment, I am living in a house. It's basically a 5-bedroom house. It's a double-story house, and there are 2 kitchens in this house, and overall, this house is wonderful.
What type of house would you like to live in the future?
In the future, I would love to live in a house which is on a beautiful mountain. I want to see greenery all around, and that house would look beautiful from inside and outside. And during the snowfall season, I would love to look outside from the window. So this type of house I would like to live in the future.
What type of houses do people in your country like to live in?
Well, in my country, most of the people, they live in single bedroom house. On the other hand, there are some people who live in flats or apartments, as the land is becoming scarce day by day. And in the countryside, there are some people who love to live in mud houses. So there is a variety. It depends on the area or geographical location.
Are you happy with the house that you're living in?
I am very happy because my house is not my house, it is my home. So it is said in English, home sweet home. And wherever I will be, wherever my family, my friends, the people around me, my house is going to become home. So I'm very happy to be living in that house.
That's great. That's the end of his speaking part 1.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. So this is a little demo. Mustain and I, we are actually making it. He's asking me the questions and I'm answering. And this is how if you go through all these videos, there's going to be a series of many videos. If you watch all these videos, you can prepare yourselves for speaking part 1.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best. Yeah. I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and
Mustain Asad.
we both wish you best of luck. Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.